We're missing 4.6 million homes in this country. Interest rates are still high, rents are maxed out, and yet most real estate investors are still playing a game that only pays them $200 or $300 a month called rentals. But what if I told you that there was a legal proven strategy that can triple and even quadruple your cash flow, put $10,000 to $20,000 upfront in your pocket, and actually make housing more affordable for families at the same time? Most landlords don't even know that this exists, and the ones who do, they're quietly replacing their rentals with it. Let me share with you why. One shot, not a future before, let's go! Listen, if you're new here, my name is Kris Krohn. I've done over $2 billion in real estate transactions. I have helped thousands of investors build freedom portfolios. And I've spent the last 20 years testing what actually works in the real estate market. And I gotta start by telling you, I love rentals if they're done the right way. They've definitely made me wealthy, but what I'm about to show you in this market, it's a lot better. And it's not a someday game plan. It's not waiting for rates to drop. It's right now. Let's talk about the ugly truth that no one wants to admit. In 2025, the average rental property produced $200 to $300 a month. And that's on a good month, because the moment a tenant moves out, the moment an AC unit dies, the moment a water heater explodes, your cash flow, it disappears. That's why so many landlords feel trapped. They own assets, but they don't feel rich. And worse, many investors are saying real estate just doesn't cash flow anymore. And in the last few years, I'd have to agree to them. Except that they're wrong. They're just using the wrong strategy, and you can flip the strategy, it'll flip the script, it'll change everything from night to day. You see, there's a massive group of Americans right now who want to buy a home, but they can't. And not because they're irresponsible, but because banks, they've tightened lending, rates have jumped, and underwriting, it got really brutal. Even with the recent rate drop a little bit, it's just too high for how expensive homes have become. So millions of families are basically locked out of ownership. Lease options, leasing with an option to purchase, rent to owns, these are pressure release valves. A lease option is simple. It's a rental with an option to buy the house later down the road. But psychologically and financially, it changes everything in their mind. You see, they're no longer renters, they're future homeowners. And that single shift completely rewires your profits. Let me show you the real numbers. On a traditional rental, let's just say you're making $300 a month of cash flow. That's $3,600 a year. And then you have repairs, vacancies, turnover, property management, stress. $3,600 can go to nothing by the end of the year. With a lease option, we're talking about $800 to $1,200 a month of cash flow. We're talking about $10,000 to $20,000 upfront non-refundable deposit. We're talking about no repairs, no vacancy churn, and no tenant mentality. That upfront money, it's not refundable, like I said. So if they buy, it'll be applied to the price that gets set at that point based on an appraisal. But if they don't, you keep it. And on average, lease options outperform rentals $40,000 to $70,000 per property over just a few years. That's not hype, that's math. In fact, when I do my true cost comparison, a lease option pays twice as much money as a traditional rental. And yet the tenant that does the lease option is so excited about this because a renter's mindset is so different than an ownership mindset of we're sinking our roots here, we can be here, we can sink into the school system in this neighborhood, we can lay down our roots, and I still have the flexibility that what if my job changes, or what if I don't land that promotion, or what if we did get a divorce? They want to bet on a brighter future, but they're falling in that gap where they don't know if they have one maybe or not. And so a lease option ends up saying, hey, this is a placeholder for a better financial future. Let's see if everything pans out the way that we want. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. Bottom line, this isn't random. This is a timing game. Right now, rates are high and Trump does want to lower them, but people are still delaying buying. On top of that, prices, they're kind of sticky right now, and demand, it is staying strong. Credit standards, they've gotten tighter, which means that there's more banks that are saying no. And families, they still want stability, and so they say yes to a lease option. Now here's the kicker. When rates drop later, they buy. You win on cash flow now and appreciation later. And that's why this kind of might feel like cheating when the reality is you're creating a benefit and a value. And people always ask, but what if they buy the house? Great, I want them to buy the house. What does it mean? It means that I get to turn over my profits, the money I've made, and put it into a multiplying of more properties. Bottom line is don't get attached to the house. Get attached, fall in love with the balance sheet. You see, when they buy, you cash out, you redeploy into more properties, 1 becomes 2, so you're going to double your cash flow. Eventually 2 becomes 4 and 4 becomes 8. This is like monopoly money, and it's velocity and the velocitizing of money that lease options allow us to do this. Now, here's the big evolution. For 20 years, lease options were local, they were manual, and they had to be done by the person that owned the home. Today, we have nationwide done-for-you lease options available. And I'm going to say for the first time, and you can Google it, it doesn't exist anywhere else. You don't have third-party companies out there that are providing this as a service until now. And what does it mean for you? It means that you can convert existing rentals nationwide into lease options and have someone do it for you. Or you can go and buy new properties. Or you could get a home equity line of credit and you're thinking, I have a cost of borrowing the money. The positive cash flow is not going to make sense. But with a lease option, it totally makes sense. You can now deploy that home equity very reasonably and very profitably potentially. By the way, you can do all of this without managing tenants or without doing any of the work when there's an option for it to be done with you, because this option, it just hasn't existed before and now it does. So if you own rentals, or if you're tired of grinding for $200 or $300 a month of positive cash flow, or maybe you're going negative, or if you've been on the sidelines waiting for rates to drop, or if you're looking for a real way to actually replace your income, this strategy absolutely can change everything for you. This was a strategy I used when I was a college kid that allowed me to buy 25 homes that built a $12,000 a month positive cash flow for me. So by the time I graduated college, I didn't need to work for anyone else. It's just as true today. Click the link below and learn how lease option strategies work in 2026 and decide if it makes sense for you. Because the truth is simple. Rentals didn't stop working. They just stopped being the best. And now you know what replaced them.